in Tucson. This place is a zoo. Literally, we're at the Reid Park Zoo. Anyway, so the first animal you'll see at the Reid Park Zoo is an African wild dog. Or more than one African wild dog. I shouldn't have said it. Whatever, you guys can deal with it. So you walk in at the entrance, and this is one of the first animals you'll see. African wild dogs are endangered, so donate to help them or something, I don't know. Anyway, let's move on.
Está jugando.
Also, there's flamingos over there. We're gonna get one last view of the African wild dog. So there are a couple of viewing points from where you just saw and right here. So as you can see, there's two right there, one right here. This place, this cage or enclosure you're looking at actually used to have a Malayan tiger, but they have the African wild dogs here to replace them while they build a bigger exhibit on the back side of the zoo for the tiger. So the tiger's not moving. But the African wild dogs will take this place over forever. We have one last viewing point of the African wild dogs, and then you go on to the American alligators. American alligators are a safe species and are considered least concerned, I think. And after you pass through the African wild dogs, this is the next animal you'll see, an American alligator. It's, as you can see, safe. And American alligators are opportunistic carnivores that eat any prey that will fit in their mouths. So this alligator is dangerous. One time, like an alligator in Florida, an alligator attacked a 4-year-old staying at a Disney resort in Florida. So that's really cool. There's also a place for getting stinger in it right here. Anyway, next. Also, and after that, you'll go into a little crevice where you'll find they're hiding something. No, just kidding. I know what's in here. It's black and white ruffed lemurs. Black and white ruffed lemurs are endangered, very endangered. But the black and white ruffed lemurs are unfortunately a no-show for this, so we're moving on. And what's considered to be the last animal before you move into Africa? If you somehow haven't noticed, it's the Aldabra tortoises. These creatures are almost endangered. I don't know what that's supposed to mean. And so yeah, that's our conservation status. Aldabra tortoises are huge, as you can see. And this actually also wasn't always an Aldabra tortoise. The Aldabra tortoises used to be in the back side of the zoo, and this had yellow-crested cranes, or East African, whatever. This had cranes, but the cranes have moved to the rhinos, and the tortoises have moved to here. And where the tortoises were, there's now a pollinator garden. And now, before we leave on our journey to Africa, there isn't any more animals before there, which will be a separate video. But before, I advise you to look at this American alligator. And, yeah, there's a statue of this. There's one last look at the black and white, the American alligators, but I almost call them a lemur. Here. Right there. And bye. I'll see you at Africa.